Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, How to Change Language in Chrome. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the Chrome in PC. You can see top right corner 3 dots. Step 2. 3 dot, click on it. Scroll down. Setting, click on it. You can see language. Step 3. Language, click on it. Go to Add Language. And choose the language. Choice to Arabic language, click on it. Step 4. You can see Add. Add, click on it. Three dot, click on it. Display Chrome in this language choice. Step 5. Relaunch, click on it. Refresh the Chrome, adding the language. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.